So here we have a 1922 John Deere Model E, what is known as the highbase. So basically with this engine here, it was pre the standard Model E engine that we know today. And some differences with this engine are, as you'll see on the head, one difference that I've noticed, there's two cooling fins, as to where your standard E only has one. The EK engine, however, the 1.5 horse, does have two cooling fins as well, but the head on the EK will be different because it'll have a bolt-on mixer instead of an attached mixer. Speaking of the mixer, you can see that the fuel screw on these are round, and your fuel line, instead of entering the base, actually enters into the tank itself. Your base is clearly much higher than a standard Model E base. The muffler is also different. As you see, it's only a 1-inch muffler instead of the 1.5 inches. You step over to your igniter. The igniter is also different. It does not have the arm that comes out and protects the end of the igniter there itself. All these are rivet style instead of flat. Your speed screw is much smaller. The flywheels, as well, as you notice, the thickness here is much thicker than what it is on a standard 1.5 horse. Also, whenever you step in and look, you can see the wire through the center of the hole there, kind of. But anyhow, the magnets on these are actually two-piece. So it's not a single magnet on your standard E. It's actually two smaller magnets that go on it. You have the big brass tag here in the back. As I said, this is 1922 model, and from the research that I've done, I would not say that it's a super early highbase, but I would also say that it is not a later one either. So somewhere's in the mid-run.